So I'm opening up the Prolon box. I've taken out my day one. Let's see what's in the day one. And as you can see, there's steps on here day by day, what you do. I registered. I'm checking my Prolon kit. I'm getting health coaching. They have a series of nutritionists that you can join for live coaching. But let's see what's in this box. This is day one box. Okay, so I open up the box. Everything you need, that I need to eat, is in this box. So here is some crackers. And here's some soups. So this one, and you see it says Fasting Mimicking Program. This is the minestrone soup mix. And this is the red bell pepper. And then there's another one in here, the fasting shake. And then there's some vitamins, fasting mimicking algal oil and vitamins. There's teas, various teas. Some more algal oil. And in here, there's some olive oil. There is a fasting bar. That's really great. We'll examine what that's all about. And this is everybody's favorite right here. This is called the Choco Crisp Bar. Believe me, you will grow to crave this Choco Crisp Bar by the end of your 5 days. So that's the inside. I'm going to sort it all out, and I'm going to get started on my program today.